Hello, this video is the demo for the clone Twitter engine clone we've implemented as part of project 4.1 and 4.2 for the subject DOSP. And the teammates are Mukesh Pabbathi. The UFID is 90548455 and Mahith Murari. The UFID is 70994954. So this is our project structure looks like. What we're gonna do is like we will open the terminal window right away. We will navigate to the folder where our files are present. And now we'll open the Erlang window. So now the Erlang shell is open. So now we will try to compile the server file. Yeah, so compile successfully. These are warnings, but we receive this message okay server, which means our server file is compiled, and we will try to compile the client file too. Okay, the client. Okay, sorry, it was a spelling mistake. CLIENT. Yeah, so okay, client. So client file is also compiled successfully. Now what I will do is I'll use this terminal as a server. To start the server, we need to give this command. Now Twitter engine clone up and running. So this is the server. Now I'll put this server terminal at the top, just not to confuse with other client terminals. I'm opening a new terminal here by using command N window or control N if you're using Windows. Now I'll open the URL. Sorry, I need to go to the location again. Open URL. Now what I want to do is I want to start client here. So I'll give client start. Sorry, spelling mistake again, my bad. CLIENT start. Yeah, so this is the new client window. We have implemented a lot of features such as registering a user, tweeting, retweeting, subscribing, and in the tweets we can tweet by mention, we can tweet normal text, we can tweet by hashtags also, and in the query we can search by queries, we can search by hashtags, we can search by mentions, and we can search all the tweets per subscriber. We'll see all those features implemented as the video goes on. So for now, enter the command. First, we need to register a user. For that, we'll give register and just say I want to name as Abby. Let's go. There is one user created Abby. You can see this in the server window here where my mouse is pointing. And now what I want to do is like I'll tweet. What do you want to tweet? Let's say a tweet by Abby. So this tweet is tweeted by Abby. It will store in the DB. Now what I'll do is like I'll tweet again. This time I'll tweet using a hashtag. So I'll tweet hash happy Sunday. Again a tweet we tweeted happy Sunday where happy is used by hashtag. So I'll open a new command window. This will be a new client like another user. Let's name him Zach. So for that, we need to navigate to the folder again. URL, as always, client. Let's check there is no spelling mistakes this time. Start. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to register as a new user. Username will be Zach, Z-A-C-H, Z-K-Z-H, whatever. Now what I want to do is like I want to subscribe. So I'll give subscribe. Whom do you want to subscribe? I want to subscribe to this user who is Abby, A-B-B-Y. So subscribe successfully. So if you see here, for Abby, the follower count increased and it included Zach. That's how we know that Zach is the follower of Abby, which means Zach subscribed to Abby. So now what I'll do is I'll retweet. Enter the username whom tweet you want to repost, which I'll give Abby, and I'll use this tweet by Abby. So retweet successful. if you see, we can see that Zach wants to retweet something. That's how the server knows that it is a retweet. So now what we want to do is like I'll mention Zach in Abby's window. For that, I'll give tweet again. In here now I'll give, so this is Zach. So I'll mention Abby here. Abby, hey Abby, how are you? So we tweeted. So we tweeted. Now what I'll to do is like I'll query it. I'll do a mention from Abby to from Zach to Abby too. So tweet again. What do you want to tweet? So this is Zach. So I'll give Zach. Hey man. If you see here, a new tweet received from Abby, which says @Zach Hey man, which means the mention is successful and it is received by Abby. That's how the mentions work. So I'll query in here, specify the task you want to mention. I'll give my mentions. So if you see, there is only one mention, Zach Heyman. I'll do one more mention from Zach. Yeah, so I'll do the query again. We see that these are the two mentions Abby did for the Zach. So now what I'll do is I'll do query in the Abby's window, and I want to see 3. I'll do the same in the Zach's windows also. I'll query, I want to see and subscribe user tweets. I want to see Abby's tweets. So see, these are all the tweets made by Abby. This shows that I want to search Abby's tweets. I gave you Abby's keyword, and these are all the tweets done by Abby. We've seen the query of my mentions. We see these are all the mentions. This is how the way hashtag works. So in this project, what we have did is like we've registered and we started a server. We've registered a user and we've tweeted with the hashtags. We've tweeted with mentions. We've tweeted a normal text, and we've registered as another user in another client window, which means another terminal in here if we are speaking of these terms. And in there we've subscribed to the first person, who is Abby, and I did the mentions from both sides, and I checked those mentions, and then I've subscribed one person to other person, which means one client to other client, and I am able to search the tweets of only subscribed user by giving the subscriber name. So this is how this works, and thank you.